Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss how to generate documents from a list view using the FT Generate Document List View button. Here I'm viewing my Opportunities list view. Let's go to My Opportunities. First thing we will need to do is add the list view button to the list view layout. You do that in Salesforce Setup. Go to your object in the Object Manager, in this case, Opportunity. Go to the list view button layout. You want to edit this and then add the appropriate button. Since we are in Lightning, we add the FT Generate Documents Lightning button. Go ahead and click Save. Now if I go back to my opportunity and refresh the page, I should see that button available. Okay, with this button, we can generate and send documents for multiple records. So if you try to click now, it says please choose at least one record. Okay. So I'll go back and I'll choose 3 of my example opportunities. Now when I click the FT Generate Documents Lightning button again, this will open up a list of the Titan document generation and signature products that are available for use with this object, in this case the opportunity. From here, we select 1 or more Titan projects. I'll select 2. And from here, we can run the following bulk actions: generate, send via email, merge, download, or preview. For the specifics on what each of these actions does, please see the associated training video. I'm going to go ahead and click Generate. This will run the generate actions on each of these documents. For these 2 projects, I have configured Titan to attach the document to the record and to update the stage accordingly. So I'll go ahead and click Generate. This will take a few minutes to run because it's 2 documents on 3 records, so we'll give it just a second. And now we see the request has been submitted successfully. Let's go look at the records and see what happened. I'll go back to my opportunities. And let's look back at my opportunities. Okay, and I'll check sample company opportunity 3. And here we see that those 2 files have been attached to the record. Opportunities of products and opportunities of contacts and products. I'll go ahead and open one of these up and have a look. It has generated the PDF and attached it to the record as we set in the document. And the stage has been set to negotiation and review. So that again is how you send from a list view multiple documents to multiple records using the FT Generate Documents Lightning button. And that is how it's done.